Hello my friends. In this video, I'm going to explain you about how you can create an email with .compile editor. Once you log into your .compile account, click on choose menu option, that is hamburger menu, at the left top of your dashboard. Now select grow from the tab and just click on it. Here you can select mails directly from the list below grow or by clicking on new campaign at the right. Now select mails as a new campaign from the available campaigns. My friends, please note that if you have not done with your SMTP setup before clicking on new mail, it will request you to select or add SMTP in mail settings. Please refer to mail setting training video to proceed. If already done, click on new mail here and give a name to your mail campaign for future reference. Here you can see the templates we have created for you, which you can select and add it as per your choice and content. If you just need a basic template, select plain template. For now, I'm selecting plain template. You can see the dummy content is there, which you can replace with your content. You can restructure the content also from the plus button at top left. If you turn off any section, it will be removed from this template. Let's check the editing options. If you click on any text block, you will get 7 options. First one is personalization, so that you can grab attention of mail reader by personalizing your email. This can be done by inserting his name, city, phone, and many others. Next one is for text formatting, and right next to this you can change the color of text. Now, if you have noticed this fourth option, with the help of this option, you can change the background of any section. So, if you want to show the text written on any graphics, you can do that from here. Alignments can be adjusted with this option. If you want to show a list or bullet points, you can do that too. And in the last, you can duplicate an entire section if needed. Now this image box can be filled by any image of your choice. Also, you can alter the style. If you want to add the thickness of border and its radius, that can be altered. You can change its color also. Now, if you want to attach a file with this email, you can do that from here. And it is always recommended to check spam score as well. If this score goes above 5, .compile will not allow you to send that email. In that case, you need to find out spam causing words and replace them with any other similar word. Once you are done with all these things, just click on the next and configure your mail sending options. So, this was all about the mail editor of .compile. I hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Hello my friend. I am Aditya from the customer success team of .compile. I hope you are enjoying .compile. In this video, we will understand more about the customer follow-up journey in .compile. Now, to create a journey for your service or product, just click on menu button, that is hamburger menu at the top left of your dashboard. Here, click on grow and select funnel or journey from the tab appeared. In this section, you can manage your old journey or create a new one. To create a new journey, simply click on new funnel/journey button. Now, let's set the goals for the journey. Keeping our user's requirement in mind, here we have bifurcated the goals into 7 sections, like if you want to generate leads, then select the targeted leads option. Or if you want to register the user for your next seminar, then select webinar registration. As we are taking about follow-up, let's select goal for our journey as follow-up. Once you select your goal type, a pop-up window will appear where you will be asked to give a name to your journey. With the help of .compile, you can create a journey in 3 simple steps, which are template selection, manage your funnel or journey, and review and publish. In the template selection section, this 3 option will help you in choosing from predefined templates, your old templates, or you can create a brand new template from here. From the gallery section, you can choose the predefined editable template and create a journey easily. Let's select a predefined template. With the help of predefined templates, you can save a lot of time and efforts. .compile offers you a complete drag and drops editor with which you can create a completed journey of your online business. On the left side, you will see the trigger, action, and control of your journey. Drag contact trigger from this list. We are selecting this as we are creating a follow-up journey for the already added or newly added contact. To configure the trigger action, click on Trigger. Now, select the if condition for the contacts like shoot an email when new user is added. You can also choose the duration of this condition using the calendar option. Now, let's select the list on which you want this trigger to work. You can also create a new list using the plus icon. Under Satisfy Your Condition section, you can add more conditions like name, lead score, etc. If you want to include the previously added contact, check mark the option below the conditions. Now, click on Save button. Now, as we have added the condition, now let's assign an action to this trigger like send email, add tags, and etc. Once you click on Send Email action, it will ask you to choose a broadcast email by clicking the Choose option. Also, you can create a new broadcast email by using the New Broadcast button. You will get 5 triggers with Send Email option. With the help of this, you can set the further action of your follow-up journey depending on the user action. This is how you can keep your users engaged. Once you are done with the journey, choose a segment on which you want your follow-up journey to be ended. Once you are done with the entire editing, click on Save and Next button. Now, hit the Publish option to activate your journey. After this, a pop-up will appear to confirm the activation of the journey. Your follow-up journey is live now. You can view the analytics of your journey from the Analytics section. This is how you can create a complete follow-up journey and keep your audience engaged. I believe this was helpful. Thanks for watching.